Hey there! Today I have a Natalie Attired unboxing or unbagging for you. So if you're not familiar with Natalie Attired, it's another one of those online subscription services, very similar to Stitch Fix. And I've actually been doing Natalie Attired probably for a couple years, but I don't do it as often. I would just say maybe several times a year. And for this month, I decided to do what they call the Celebration Collection. And this was a special offer they had. I think it was only through the end of May, and it was in celebration of their 4th birthday. So the way the collection worked, it was a flat $57, and you get 3 to 4 items valued at $150. So I thought, okay, that's a good deal. And initially I resisted. I didn't order one, but I saw that it was extended to the end of May, so I thought, you know what, why didn't I just go ahead? I love deals, so let's see what kind of deal I can get. But yeah, so here's what came in the mail, and it doesn't seem that big, so I'm thinking it's probably 3 tops. But anyway, I'm curious to see what it is. And I think the way it works, if you like everything, you just keep it, and it's a flat prepaid price. If you don't like everything, you just send it all back. So you have to keep all or nothing. And the shipping, there was a $10 charge that's non-refundable. You get the $57 back, but I believe you also have to pay return shipping. So there is a little bit of a risk, but we'll see. Yeah, that $57, that's a great deal. So anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, and here's a peek at my bundle. I think it looks pretty good, right? Okay, so I do have an invoice, and it doesn't have a note, but I see that my stylist is Renee, who is my stylist that I've had before, and it does list the different things that I got here with the Celebration Collection. So yeah, it does look like the retail value of this particular bag is $193. So I paid $57, but the retail, if I were to have bought it, would have been $193. So that, if everything works out, would be an awesome deal. But let's see what I got. Okay, so the first item, okay, is this top. It does look a little big, but we'll see. It's by Cotton Blue, and it just says it's a V-neck lace-up top, retail $42. So it's just a very comfortable, lightweight. It has a very pretty stripe and a little bit of, and this tie front. But it does look kind of big. Let's see what size it is. It's a size small, actually, but it's kind of a big size small. I think this would be really cute, maybe with white jeans. You could probably also wear it with shorts. But yeah, I like this. This is cute. Something different. Okay, second. Oh, it's a dress. It's just a very lightweight dress. Probably easy to wear. And it's also by the same brand, Cotton Blue. It says the price on the dress is $42, which is the same as the top. So that's interesting. Yeah, just a very casual, comfortable dress. It has like a tie here. So yeah, we'll see. I don't know if it'll be maybe a little sheer, which might be concerning. But yeah, very cute, comfortable, flowy. Okay, and lastly, okay, wow, I got another dress. Wow, so 2 dresses. And this is by the brand SALAAM, and it's size medium. And this, oh wow, this one actually retails for $89. And it's the elbow sleeve ballet dress. You know, I think I've gotten something from this brand from Natalie Attired before, SALAAM, and I didn't keep it because it was expensive. But yeah, I like this. Look at this. I love this kind of elbow sleeve because it kind of hides the arms, and yet it's slim or fitted, so you can just wear a cardigan over it if you want. And yeah, it looks like it has like a fit and flare cut, which is to me very flattering. And it has an interesting print with some birds. It looks like hummingbirds. Yeah, I think they're hummingbirds. Yeah, very cute. I kind of like this. I like things that are a little different. Okay, so that was everything I got in my celebration collection this month from Natalie Attired. So now I'm going to go ahead and try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here is the top. And yeah, I think this is cute. It's actually not too big. Like I thought it was going to be too big, but I think if it was a little smaller than this, it would be too small. but it's just a very, I think, cool and comfortable top. It feels like rayon, so it's not polyester, so more breathable. I am worried though, actually this could shrink a little, but overall I think it's cute and something different. I mean, I don't think I have anything like this in my wardrobe, so different and looks cute, I think, with some white jeans and just these are very comfortable orthopedic sandals, which I find myself wearing all the time. But anyway, yeah, I think this is a cute top and definitely a keeper. Okay, so here is the first dress. And this dress is really cute. I like it, and it's really comfortable. I like the fabric, it's super soft, and it's more interesting because of this, I think, tie. I was kind of wondering how this was going to look, but I think it looks good, and I like it. I was worried that this would be a little bit too sheer, but actually the material it's thick enough, I think. I might just consider wearing, you know, like maybe those shapers or something underneath. But yeah, I think this looks good, and it's just a nice, casual, fun dress. But I think it's good enough to wear to a casual work environment, you know, once you're able to go back to the office. And here I just have those same orthopedic sandals. These are the most comfortable sandals I own. They have like arch support and this kind of a mushroom cloud kind of soft footbed. So anyway, I think this is also a winner. Okay, so here is the last dress. And you know, I really do love this dress. I think it's really cute, and I like that it's different because it's not floral. And yeah, I love the cut. It's very flattering, yet because it's a knit material, it's very, very comfortable, I think, and breathable. So, and for the shoes, I just have these same orthopedic sandals except in black. I really love these, actually, and I think I think it looks okay. I mean, definitely heels would look more dressy, fancy maybe, but I think for me and my feet problems, these work. Okay, and let's try it with a denim jacket. Okay, and since this dress is dark, I thought I'd add this medium wash denim jacket. And this is just my, just cut from the cloth, and it's the same style as my favorite Helena style denim jacket, except it's a medium wash. And yeah, I have all washes. But yeah, I like this. I think incredible deal for this dress and the other dress and the top, all for $57 plus shipping. So not bad. Okay, so actually I was extremely happy with this celebration collection. I mean, what a deal. I wasn't really sure what to expect because it was like kind of an all or nothing, and then I was like, oh, if I don't like, you know, one or two of the items, then I have to decide to ship it back at my own expense. So it was a little bit of a risk, but I think it really paid off because actually 57 plus 10 is $67 for 3 items. I mean, that comes out to like $22 per item. That's not bad at all, because basically these items, the retail would have been $193. So incredible deal, I think. And I think I did like everything. My favorite was probably this dress. It's a beautiful dress, actually, and I really do like the print, and very pretty. We'll definitely be wearing this one day, someday in the future, when I go back to working in an office. And yeah, and this top was actually really surprisingly cute. It's bright, cheerful. It has these vertical stripes, which hopefully will make me taller, I'm not sure. And this dress was also very cute and very, very soft and comfortable. So I think this would also be nice for like just wearing casually, like to go shopping or on the weekend. Okay, but overall, just an awesome deal, and I'm very glad that I finally tried this, because I know I'd gotten emails regarding the Celebration Collection, you know, for a while, but I just resisted. I kind of wish now that I had ordered one sooner and gotten a second one, but that's okay. But I think, you know, I'm going to continue ordering from Natalie Attired, especially now since Mix and Match, which was one of my favorite services, seems to have stopped, and also Golden Tote. To me, Natalie Attired, the clothing that you get from this service is more similar to the Mix and Match and Golden Tote types of clothing. It's more like boutique-ish looking stuff, I think. So yeah, we'll continue with this service and was very happy. Anyway, now it's time for me to say goodbye, and I will call my 2 furry companions who are sleeping and enjoying the air conditioning because it is awfully hot today. Let's see, who wants to say goodbye? And you guessed it, I guess we'll be getting some treats. Okay, and today we have Caesar Softies, and these are the filet mignon flavor, and I got a really big bag because they really like these, right guys? Yes. And here we go. One for Sammy, one for Kaya. Stay here, Kaya. And yeah, so just want to thank you guys again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.